Okay, so this is example 1 in the book, and all it says is compare, right? Compare the graph, these three graphs, or the graphs of these three functions with the graph of, that should have been a 3, of f of x equals x to the third, the cubic function, right? So in every one of these graphs, if you could see the gray line in the background, that's the common function f of x equals x to the third. It's just copied from the first page, right? So how do we change that graph when we subtract 1 after the x to the third? Down 1. So what you could see what they did on their graph here is they actually put on the common function the point 1, 1, because if you plug in a 1, you get 1. And then they show how if you shift it down 1, then that point 1, 1 goes down to 1, 0. Right? Every point on the gray line goes down 1 to get on the black line, which is the graph of this. But the whole graph, just look at it as a downward shift. Okay, how does it change the graph, meaning this graph, if we subtract 1 inside the parentheses? Right 1. Inside the function means left or right. A minus means right. So you could see now they've taken their 1, 1 and they moved it over to the right 1. And so here's our new graph. So it's to the right 1. And then the last one, which I had the wrong exponent here, but it looks like we've got two things going on. What is the plus 2 doing to the graph? Left 2, and the plus 1 means up 1. So again, the whole graph is shifted like that. If you look at this point 1, 1, if you go up 1 and left 2, now you've got a point on the graph of negative 1, 2, and then there's the new graph. You know, if you did that for a few points, it would definitely give you something